Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French. Avec moi, je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hi and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Aujourd'hui, la fréquence en français. Comment exprimer la fréquence de différentes manières? Aujourd'hui, frequency in French, how to express frequency in French and different ways to express frequency. As usual, you'll find the free transcript and the cheat sheet on my website speakfrenchavecmoi.com. You do not need to sign up to access the transcript, so go ahead. And if you're new here, this podcast is dedicated to beginners and travelers. I am a full time French as a foreign language teacher, and I love making things simple and, of course, make it fun to learn French. Alors, vous êtes prêts? But before I start, comment ça va aujourd'hui? Moi, ça va très bien. How are you today? I am very well. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe right away before we start. Allez, c'est parti. Are you ready to speak French? Let's start with the adverbs you absolutely need to know. The first is toujours. Toujours with a je sound. Toujours means always. Toujours. Souvent. Souvent. Souvent means often or often depending where you are in the word. Souvent, often or often. Parfois. Parfois. Parfois means sometimes with the wa sound. Parfois. Jamais with a je sound. Jamais means never. Jamais. OK? All right. Alors, on répète tous ensemble. Toujours, souvent, parfois, jamais. And here's a little hack for you. If you want to sound closer to French, speaking naturally, switch parfois for des fois. In spoken French, people tend to say des fois for parfois. Par exemple, to say, I often go to the farmer's market. Je vais souvent au marché. Je vais souvent au marché. And if you're new here and you don't know how to use the verb to go in French, I do have an episode dedicated to use aller in French. You can go on a website, type aller or to go, and you'll find it. All right. Now, how to say every, such as every day or every week or every month. We're going to use tous when we start. Tous les jours. Tous les jours. And again, I'd like you, if possible, to go check the cheat sheet and the transcript so you can have the correct spelling. Tous les jours, every day. Tous les jours. tous les jours with a je sound. Tous les jours, every day. For every week, we're going to switch to toutes. Toutes. Toutes les semaines. Toutes les semaines. Toutes les semaines. Let's try. Toutes les semaines. Toutes les semaines. Toutes les semaines. Every week. Tous les mois. Tous les mois. Tous les mois means once a month. Of course, these are just some basic examples, but if you need to say every hours or every minute, you switch jour, semaine, mois for heure ou minute. Alors, on répète tous ensemble. Tous les jours, toutes les semaines, tous les mois. Et if you want to say, I eat yogurt every day. Je mange un yaourt tous les jours. Je mange un yaourt tous les jours. Right, now let's learn how to say once, twice, thrice. To say once, in French, you'll say une fois with the wa sound. Une fois. Once. Une fois. To say twice, deux fois. Deux fois. So you see, it's easy. You're going to use the number 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you'll add fois. Une fois, once. Deux fois, twice. So I guess you know how to say thrice or 3 times. Trois fois. Great, so let's repeat together. Une fois, deux fois, trois fois. Par exemple, you want to say, I went to Japan twice. Je suis allé au Japon 2 fois. Je suis allé, I went, au Japon, to Japan, 2 fois, twice. Voila, so of course, to remember all of this, you need to practice and challenge yourself at home. And you can also do extra practice, have a cheat sheet. And again, I know I say that a lot. Check out the workshop. It's 30 lessons for you with not only explanations, but you have some dialogues and conversation and extra worksheet to help you, and all of this is self-directed. And again, you can register today because the first 4 lessons are free for you to check out. Voilà, c'est la fin de notre épisode. Here you go, it's the end of our episode. I hope you enjoyed it and you learn new vocabulary and expressions. Merci encore. And if nobody has told you today because maybe they're busy doing something else, je sais que vous êtes terrifique. I know that you are terrific. Merci, au revoir, à bientôt.